Hi, this is Ben, and this is Lego Set 21171, the Horse Stable. This is a 241-piece set, and it does come with just a single set of instructions. It comes with some really fun characters here, some different mobs and minifigures, so let's see what's in here. This set comes with one Minecraft minifigure, a skeleton with his skeleton horse. This stable does have moving wooden gates where you can take the horses in and out. This horse here actually is donning some diamond armor. Also comes with a water bucket with water in it, and some other elements you'd find around a stable, including the haystack, some carrots from the carrot farm, and some obstacles that the horse can jump over. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.